This is Ashley. I'm super excited to share with you this new recipe. Before we get started, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. You know, I think that kids' food should be nutritious, flavorful, and fun. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is one of my favorite single ingredient foods, pureed pears. So what I'm doing here is I've washed all the pears and I'm now peeling everything and removing the seeds. It's one of my favorite single ingredient foods because pears are recommended to give to your child when they get a little bit constipated. Now, what usually happens is that parents give their kids bananas as a first food, and bananas actually cause children to become a little bit backed up. So what I've done is I took those peeled pears and I boiled them for about 15 minutes until they were nice and soft. The trick to the pears is that the pears actually have a lot of water in them, so you don't want to add too much water when you're boiling them. And what you can do is you can let them cool, and as you see, I just barely put in there like maybe the equivalent of 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. So this recipe is awesome because it can be modified for older children. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to just kind of pulse the blender and leave the fruit to be a little more chunky instead of pureeing it all the way down to a smooth puree, which is what I'm doing here. The other great thing about this particular fruit is that I add it to this 3-ingredient recipe called Bailey Delight, and I will show you that video here soon. And so after pureeing for a little bit, running it through the blender, you end up with this finished product. It's really nice and smooth and beautiful, easy for the baby to eat. And there it is, pears.